Hey guys, welcome to another video. I believe it's day 3 of being in the Seychelles, and right now I'm gonna go get a massage for the first time ever, and then I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna come back because I'm way too lazy to film everything. When I come back, I'm gonna open the presents that I got for Christmas. Yeah, see you. Cut to the next clip. So I came back from a massage. It was really good. Right now, as you can see, I got a Christmas tree, and the presents that Santa Claus gave me is under the table. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with, I have only one present here because the other present is in Paris. It was too big to bring it here. So I'll tell you what it is. It was a ramp for like skiing, so I could jump. So it's like a small ramp that I could put it wherever I want and just jump off, because it's hard to go to the skate park because it's far away from my house. So I got a small ramp. I'll film it when I'm gonna come back to Paris. So yeah, now I'm gonna take the present. Drum roll please. I got a Canon M50. I don't know if you can see it, but I got a new camera, because the camera that I'm filming it with right now, it's giant and it's really heavy. So I got a new camera. Let's open it. I'm super happy because I wanted this camera for a long time. So when you open it up, you get the manual. Okay, it's kind of super, yeah. So this is kind of an unboxing. This is the Canon. What's this? Oh, this is just like papers that are non-important. So yeah. We got the, oh god, there's way too much wind. I'm just gonna put that under my lap. So we got a strap with it. I'm gonna move the box here. I'm gonna get closer. So we got the strap, guys. It's small. Wait, how do you open it? There you go. We got this strap that I'm not gonna use because I hate straps. I don't know why they created straps. Okay, thank you. To carry. Yeah, I know that, but still, like, it's not comfortable. It's not comfortable for me. Okay, do we take the camera first or do we take the charging? I'll take the charging, because we're gonna leave the most important last. So this is the charging, like, port. No, not port, but like where you put the battery in. This is the cable. Wait, I'm gonna open this first. So, okay. Come on, open up already. Okay, there you go. I shouted. Yeah, so this is the charging thing. I think it's the same size as for the GoPro. I'm so clumsy. Yeah, so I think it's the same size for the GoPro, so that's good. I could charge the GoPro battery and my Canon battery. Not this one, because this one is way bigger and it won't fit in there. So then we have the, oh god, there's so much plastic. Where do I put the plastic? I'll put it back in the box, because we don't want to kill turtles. Even if it's plastic straws, there's still plastic goes in the water. So, I hate those green things that you just gotta turn. Yeah. So this is the charging cable. That's nice. Okay, I hate plugging these in because it's really heavy. Like, it's really hard. I mean, what am I talking about? So right now I'm gonna take out the lenses, because this is the smaller lens. And this is the, wait, oh yeah, I forgot something before that. We have the 16 gigabyte SD card. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna open that later. And this is the lens. So I'm just gonna put the box back in here. There's so much wind, or is that the ocean? Both. So we got the lens. Wait, which one is this? There's like, I think it's right in here. No, it's not right in here. Well, okay. Which one is this? 1 second, I'm gonna try to find it. It's zoom lens, 15 to 45 millimeters. So that's that. So this is a small lens. It's really small. But why does it not want to zoom? Okay. Okay. So this is the lens. Does it even zoom? Wait, what? Oh, this is, wait, what? Does it even zoom? Oh, I don't understand this lens. Oh, you gotta pull something up. So this is a lens. Nice. How How does it work? How do you close it back? I'm kind of lost. Okay, I got it. So that's how, this is the smaller lens. And now we're gonna go to the bigger lens. So much stuff on the table. Okay, I put this shot there. So the bigger lens is I'm gonna check right now, is 55 to 200 millimeters. I don't know if it's important for you guys. For me, it doesn't. I just know it zooms, and that's like the most important. So, okay, that's not all. I'm gonna take out the camera just for. God, so much stuff in this box. So yeah, this is the camera. I'm gonna put it right here. So this is the bigger lens. It's way bigger. This is the size difference. Like, it has a decent amount of like a difference. I put it. So this is the two lenses. I'll put it right there. And now for the camera. No. Why is there so much plastic? Or bubble wrap if you want it. It's still plastic. So this is the camera. Whoa. It's way smaller and way lighter than my camera that I have now. So it has a touch screen right there. And well, it's a mirrorless, so that's why it's smaller. That's the like inside. It's way smaller than the other camera. And yeah, I'm gonna try on the lens. But first, I'll check. Is there the? I just realized something. I gotta go and charge the camera. So right now I'm gonna go and charge like the battery for the camera. It's gonna, and like for you it's gonna be like a second or two. For me it's gonna take like 30 minutes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to charge the camera. Yes, I'm not sitting on the chair right now. And yes, it might have been already an hour after I filmed the first part of the video. But this is what happened. I went to put the camera to charge. And then, well, it took longer than expected. So my family and I, we went to eat lunch. And, well, that's where I am right now. I'm filming with a new Canon M50. And so yeah, that's all I really have to say. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down your favorite fruit. I don't know why, but comment your fruit. And I wish you Merry Christmas.